Hey folks, just did some black powder shooting, and this idea popped into my head right as I was getting ready to clean these. About just cleaning, about what I do. So normally, in the past, I have used just plain hot soapy water to clean black powder residue. It's a very historic way of doing it. But I have been using Ballistol for a little bit. This is a German-made product. You can look it all up, but this has actually been a really nice to use. So it even on the back tells you some mix ratios. So if you are cleaning black powder, it says mix 25% Ballistol with 75% water. I believe a lot of people call this moose milk. So I've just got a little shaker bottle here of that solution. Yeah, look up Ballistol. It's actually some really nice stuff. Pretty safe, pretty simple, and it works on so many different things. I know this dates to the 1930s, but it's been a fantastic thing. So just wanted to run a quick patch down this and show actually how it cleans. Now, fair warning, I actually already ran one patch down. I ran one patch down to clean this pistol, and I realized, oh, this would be a great video. So it's going to be a little cleaner than what it was, but actually I can run. This is the first patch that came out, so pretty dark. I didn't shoot a lot with this pistol, probably 5 rounds or less yesterday, but it's pretty good cleaner. Also, note, don't wait to clean black powder, okay? Clean it as quick as you possibly can. So, just wet a patch, run it down your muzzle, it comes up pretty clean. Safe on hands, but I'm just using gloves because I don't want black powder residue all over me. So, let's take a look at the pan here. So, we've got all that residue there. It just wipes off pretty well. So, I like it. I like Ballistol. It's pretty simple. Don't have to heat up any water. Pretty straightforward. And it's not done me any wrong. Clean out the pan here. Get a good angle here. Yeah, cleans it pretty well. So I'll run over this with a dry patch and then coat it with oil. I'll probably actually coat this with Ballistol, 100% pure Ballistol. And we'll go from there. It's pretty good on wood. Doesn't affect wood. It actually helps wood out. It's good even on leather items. So, yeah, check out Ballistol. Maybe a little bit hard to get, but I think it's worth it. So, quick little video.